Hello everyone, this is my review of Jones Soda. I got the rainbow pack so I could get all the delicious flavors together. I'll just send two of each flavor and I'm going to go through them with you right now. We have the orange. Now this clear one is cream soda. Next is berry, a great flavor. And here we have a root beer, classic flavor. Here we have an apple flavor, which is unique. I haven't found out too many other brands have that. And last, we have our strawberry. This is a great soda brand. I enjoy all these flavors, and they taste just like soda and fizz just like soda. So I'll show you that this brand fizzes and bubbles up just like regular soda. So it's a nice bubbly taste to it. So I hope this review helps.